What's up guys, Zen here with Zen Trading Academy. Welcome back to another video. The market is on a downtrend right now with all the new cases on the rise, with the political uncertainty, economy on the brink of crashing with MCO after MCO after MCO. Plus we just got out of a bull market, and as market cycles go, it has to pull back before it can shoot higher again. So we're currently in a downtrend. The volume is low, there's just no volatility. So without volatility, there's just no opportunities for us to catch any trades. So how do we actually make money in these kinds of markets? You can try momentum trading, but the lack of volume will leave you empty-handed. You can try swing trading, but if no stocks are going up, what is there to catch? So is it time to say goodbye to trading? Is it time to put my money into long-term dividend stocks? If you want to invest and wait till you're 65, go ahead, all power to you. But I can't wait that long. For those of you who want to be successful traders, the slow market is a perfect time for us to learn. Slow markets force you to be disciplined and force you to take perfect setups only. If you're learning in a hot market and you haven't really practiced the pattern yet, you haven't really learned the pattern yet, but you're missing moves left and right, so you start taking random trades. But the problem with hot market is that you don't get punished for your mistakes. Everything you touch just moves up. Everything you touch turns to gold. So where would you learn? The one thing I learned the hard way from the market is that it will reward you for breaking your rules, and then it will remind you why you had them in the first place. So naturally, if your method isn't sustainable, right, in the long run, eventually it will come back to nothing, right? It will come back to zero. Because once the slow market hits, you will be trading with all the bad habits that you built during the hot streak. This is where most traders will fail. You start taking loss after loss after loss, and then the doubt starts to kick in, you lose all your confidence, your trading becomes emotional, and you keep losing money non-stop. You start to question, maybe the market really is a scam. Maybe there's no such thing as making money consistently from the market. You're going to start blaming the market, but you don't realize that you're just taking really bad setups. And if you don't have somebody there to tell you, you won't realize that you're just trading with a lot of bad habits and you're just not taking good trades. Bad habits die very hard, and it's going to take you a lot of effort to forget everything you know and relearn all the good habits. And that's why it's so good to start in the slow market. In the slow market, you are forced to take good trades and you're forced to build these good habits from the beginning. You're being forged in fire. You don't have the luxury to take bad trades because there's not enough good trades for you to recover from. For the traders who really want to build a skill in trading, it might be hard to not see results in the beginning, but trust me, building these habits from the beginning, building this good discipline from the start will help you in the long term. And for those gamblers who just want to come in for a quick buck, I want to thank you in advance for feeding us traders in the hot market. Once you develop these good habits, right, it's very easy for you to loosen up your parameters during a hot market and catch all the big moves as well. Remember what I said before, it's very easy to make money, but it's very hard to keep it. Anyone can survive a hot market, but once you survive a slow market, you've gotten both pieces of the puzzle. So the best way to trade during a slow market is to tighten up all your trades. Take one or maximum two setups, right? And then tighten all the parameters. Wait for the perfect setup. Make sure all of your criteria is met before you even jump into the trade. And of course, tight risk management. Stop your losses. Okay, cut your losses very quickly and let your winners run. Those are the main disciplines you have to force yourself to learn. And in the slow market, it is the perfect time for you to try. So just want to make this really quick video to keep all of the learning traders in check, right? We are in the slow market now. Don't be discouraged. This is the perfect time for you to learn. And once we're back in a hot market, you will see the results of your hard work. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I hope you see the results of your hard work soon. We're all hoping for a hot market, but we have to appreciate the slow markets as well. So make sure you hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.